Alright guys, this is day one of Moparty. I kind of gave you guys a little sneak peek of the setup day, but we're here, there's a bunch of cars. I'm just walking in, so I'll show you guys where we're set up again, and we'll get into the fun stuff. Okay, so we moved slightly from yesterday, so we're right here in front of the Holly booth. We got people doing autocross right now. There's a couple other cool cars here. I'll show you guys a little bit of everything.
What up? What's going on, man?
So this thing is swapped, 5.7. This looks like we got a 6.4 in here, I believe. Yeah, it's got an orange block, so I'm gonna say 6.4. Super clean though. And you got another one here. You guys have seen this one before, the 6.4 swapped. This is a pretty cool mechanism. So this goes from the original cable setup and also has the cable that goes to the transmission all electronically converted so that it can go back to electronic throttle body. And they got it closed up right now, but you guys saw the dash in there. This thing looks super clean too. So I really like this one, the way this one is done. Okay, I know you guys want to see this thing. Check this out. So it's the Hellcat Dragster. So look at that, they got ice water just running through the cooler here. So it's cooling it here while they have it parked, and then it's got that cooler over there that it runs through. Got a little chute.
There's another famous one of ours.
This one is?
This is the Blackbird. Mr. Jeff Turk.
Yeah? What else do we know about it?
First car in the 7s.
Jeez. Is he still doing 7s or going faster now?
It's going faster now.
This thing is badass, you guys. Comment down below what you think of this thing. Look at the little steering wheel. Look, it's got the full Holly EFI dash too. Too cool. Oh, that thing sounds good. Sheesh, dang, that's a good looking truck. So today's just test and tune, but it's gonna be a little bit interesting. We're gonna be fighting traction with Steve's car, but it's gonna give us a bit of a baseline. If we're gonna end up throwing that cam in this week, we can see what it runs with. Full exhaust. It's got long tubes on it. We're not sure on the brand, but it's got full exhaust on it. It also has an intake manifold, and you guys saw that Flowmaster Delta Force intake on it as well. So, and it has a tune on it. So we'll see what she runs. And just a reminder, it's a 5.7 if you guys don't already know. I want to see these things go. The Viper, the twin turbo Viper we showed you guys yesterday is going up too. Still won an 11.7. Jeez. Looks like they're showing 8th mile time, so that's still fast. boys. There's a lot of cars, but we might have to go back for this one. He let off and still went 6.5 at 132. Look who I found. It's Frostbite Ram. Don't take out too much.
I got enough out of it. I'm gonna try 25 for the first time in my life. So.
Really? Did you make a pass yet or no?
The first time it's down today.
Is it? What are you thinking?
I don't know. I just put that high ram on, so.
You still got the laptop in there. He's still dialing her in.
I got a makeshift first little tune for it, so.
Heck
I
yeah.
have no idea what we're gonna do. We're gonna launch
All
it
right.
4 grand or 42 on the trans brake though.
Are you? All right. What's the setup, real quick, for those are the people watching that don't know?
Torque Storm supercharged, stock block 5.7 with a cam, high ram manifold from Holly, John Cope CRT Racing trans, the 46 RE,
Hell yeah.
trans brake, full manual valve body, lockup, full interior besides race seats, full weight, ready to roll.
All right. This is just shakedown pass, so we're not going to hold them to anything.
We're trying to see what it does.
By the end of the weekend, hopefully we'll get some good passes in.
We got a Georgia tune-up in it right now, so we don't know what it's going to do.
Yeah, he spun. Almost 200 miles an hour. Alright, so we're gonna go on the driving experience with Dodge. So I'm just in line here. I want to get it on today, Friday, because it's probably gonna be a huge lineup for this weekend. So I don't know which one we're gonna end up in, but we'll film it once we get in there. What's up, man?
Yeah, another day. How you doing?
Pretty good.
You ready to have some fun?
Send it for YouTube.
Yes, sir. Always. You ever done this before?
No, I haven't ridden with you guys yet.
Okay. Ready?
Yes, sir. Hell yeah.
It'll rip.
Yeah? What gear do you do it in?
Second. Lock it in second the whole
I
time.
don't know if you've seen it, but I have the Hellcat Dakota over there.
It did, actually. That's pretty cool, man.
So I'm gonna bring it out tomorrow night for like the burn pad. But I don't know. So you just leave it in second manual?
Yeah, second manual, it locks it in. Really on the sweeper, you could go to third, but for this, I mean, we'll just be burning tires. You're gonna gain some speed out of it, but you know, not a lot of people would notice the difference.
You're not playing with the brake much, right? You're just all gas?
Hardly touching it, yeah.
All right, cool.
Yes, sir.
All right, cool, man.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right, later, man.
Have a good one.
You too. Check out this rig. Big old turbo. Looks like it's got, it's hard to say if it's a 318. Some sort of Magnum in here. 318, 360. Dang. All right, guys, that is a wrap for day one. So this is Friday, so there's not as many people that show up for Friday, but once Saturday rolls around, this place should fill up. So I will post day 2 and day 3 for you guys. Hopefully the rain holds off. I think we should be okay for tomorrow. Sunday's a little iffy at the moment, but we'll get there soon. So if you guys enjoy this type of content, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what type of content you guys like to see best at these events, and I'll do my best to capture it on the next video. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next one.